Top 10. Best floating beer pong table. Most people play it when they're drunk. It's hard to improve on a game that provides so much entertainment. Number 10. PortOPong Floating Pool Pong. It's for cups. Many users state that it can lose air quickly, but is fairly easy to inflate. It is lightweight and can move around easily in the water, but is very portable and easy to use. It is made out of thick plastic, so it's not going to break very easily. Simple and easy to use. Can be used as a float. Made with high-quality materials. Number 9. Infloatables Inflatable Floating. Women and asks on the raft who's got the bigger balls. It has 8 additional slots available, with a cooler section in the middle for your drinks. It's a large table which can be doubled up as a relaxing lounger. It includes 6 balls as well as patch kits for easy repair of your beer pong table. Fun and humorous design. Middle cooler. Multiple drink slots. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search best floating beer pong table or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 8. Can't Stop Party Supplies Inflatable. The fun. It only has 2 additional slots, however, which is less than most. It includes repair stickers should the worst happen, and comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. The logo will set the scene for a party of plenty of drink, and plenty of laughs. Fun design. Repair stickers. Money-back guarantee. Number 7. Airhead AHPB1 Pongo Bongo, which has the usual slots for the cups as well as additional slots in each corner. It has tethers so that it can be anchored and can be turned over, and used as a relaxing floating mattress. It has a high-quality vinyl construction for durability, so you know that it's not going to break easily. Fun design. Tethering points. Thick material. Number 6. Pong Beer Inflatable Raft. It has the regular 10 slots each for the cups, and a hole on each corner for regular drinks. It comes with 6 balls that are all pirate themed as well. It's 6 foot long with extra thick material to stop any punctures. This is a fun raft which is sure to bring out those terrible, fun pirate design. Themed balls. Cup holders in each corner. Number 5. The Airpong Table Inflatable. It's 7 foot long and very wide too, which would make it comfortable as a conventional float. It also has a cooler section in the middle, but perhaps the best feature is its design. As with position of the cup holders mean, the table stays very stable in the water so that you don't spill your drinks. Longer and wider than most. Central cooler. Very stable design. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search best floating beer pong table or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 4. GoPong Pool Pong Table. Used as a conventional float. It comes with 3 balls with the usual holes for cups available, however, it doesn't hold any cups on the outside. It has rapid inflation, so it will be up and ready to use in no time. The design of the table is fun and bright as well. Bright neon green design. 3 balls included. Small and easy to carry. Number 3. H2 Pong Inflatable Beer. But one great feature is that there are little pockets where the balls can be placed safely until needed. It is made out of thick, tear-resistant plastic, so you can have the peace of mind that your part won't be ruined. As with most standard floating beer pong tables. Pocket holders for the balls. Thick plastic so won't break easily. Comes with 5 balls. Number 2. GoPong Original Pool Party. Your pong table is that in the middle of it is an enclosed cooler section in which you can chill all your favorite drinks. It is also 6 foot long, so could easily double up as a float when not in use. It holds the standard 10 drinks of a beer pong game, with an additional 8 holes on the side for extra drinks. Enclosed cooler system. Guaranteed. Rapid valve system. Number 1. GoPong Pool Lounge Beer. Has room for the standard 10 cups with additional space for 8 cups along the side for your regular drinks. It comes with 6 ping pongs as well as tethering grommets to keep it in one place. This can also be doubled up as floating lounge for when you just want to lie down and relax. Can be used as a regular float. Has rapid inflation. Tethering grommets. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search best floating beer pong table or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts.